how do I find a good agent?
Okay. First, it's not a good agent. It is a good registered migration agent. So, a registered migration agent can only be an Australian resident or an Australian citizen.
Oh,
First is that. So he
okay.
has to be based, in
In
Australia,
Australia.
has to have either a PR or a citizenship.
Oh,
Only they can become a registered migration agent
okay.
or an immigration Australian legal practitioner, which is an Australian lawyer. So,
Okay.
to be an Australian lawyer, you have to be a resident of Australia or you have to be a citizen of Australia. So, these
Okay.
are the first two aspects which are there. So, they will be based over there. Secondly, if you are looking at an agent basically comes on a website called MARA, Migration Authorized Registered Agency.
Okay.
So, MARA website ke upar, if you go, which is called Office of MARA, you will find a list of agents which are there.
Oh, so I can cross verify
Yeah,
if he's
yes, they'll be,
registered
yeah,
basically.
they'll be listed there.
Yeah.
They have a listed, they have an identity.
I'll be
So,
able to find them.
yes, you
Yeah.
can find them. But for a lawyer, it's a lawyer.
Hmm.
There's a doctor, a lawyer is a lawyer. There's nothing. The lawyer should have a practicing certificate, should be registered with the bar council of a particular state. The second step that you need to know is how good is the agent? How many cases has the agent done, or how many cases has the lawyer done? And what type of cases? That is the another important part that you need to look at, because it's like, okay, like lawyer, a lawyer could be a lawyer but she specialized or he specialized only in criminal law, but if you're going for corporate commercial to that lawyer तो कुछ होने वाला नहीं है.
Yeah. Right. Right.
An agent also, if that agent specializes कि मैं खाली onshore applications करूँ, मैं बैठूँ खाली onshore applications करूँ from Australia, so that is only onshore applications. Offshore applications उसने किया ही नहीं है, तो उसका आइडिया ही नहीं है.
Okay.
So,
I'm getting it now.
yeah, so there are different migration में there are different types of visas. There are different types of applications. अगर if the person is doing only onshore applications, मतलब student visa से PR visa, वही कर रहा है और आप उसको then you are giving him a GSM visa, it's going to be very difficult.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you need to find कि उसका specialization कौन कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है, and then you can basically say कि हाँ, this is basically the type of agent or a lawyer who's specializing in that particular field.
Just correct me if I'm wrong. You said that the agent, the registered agent, all these people are Australian residents, right?
Yes.
And even the lawyers. So then the people who are in India, like if I have to, मुझे अगर जाना हो तो मैं इंडिया की ही कोई I'll look into some company and मैं उनके पास जाऊंगा, तो वो लोग के पास नहीं जाना है मुझे, is what I've understood.
No, basically yes and no both. Because one, the guy who's sitting in India, how is that guy going to know the laws of Australia? If he does not have, so if he's got a registered migration agent or an immigration lawyer tie up in
Okay.
Australia, so yes, it's understandable. As long as your application is lodged by an RMA, which is a registered migration agent, or an immigration lawyer, as long as your application is being lodged, खाली दिखाने के लिए तो बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि हाँ मेरे पास उधर एक लॉयर है या एक एजेंट है और ये उसका नंबर है, बट फाइनली लॉन्च कौन कर रहा है एप्लीकेशन? हु इज गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट इट टू द immigration body, which is a government body, which is called border force.
Okay.
That is the most important thing.
That is what actually matters. Okay.
Absolutely, because if the person is doing it यहाँ से इंडिया से ही वो अपलोड करके डॉक्यूमेंट्स कर रहा है, तो भाई आप ही करो ना. Why do you
तब
need
तो
it?
मैं भी खुद भी
Exactly.
कर सकता
It's
हूँ.
basically what access you have got, he's got.
Yes, got. Yeah.
There is no difference otherwise, because what he's got is he's going to go online. वो ऑनलाइन जाएगा, चेक करेगा, जैसे आप भी ऑनलाइन जाओ, चेक करो, एंड देन इंशाल्लाह लगी तो लगी.